Good morning, ninth and 10th grade English. I just want to really quickly talk about what you're going to do today. If you got yesterday's reading done, which was chapter 1, reading 1, which percentage-wise was through 3% where he says, wear something pretty. So if you're through that, you can go ahead and take this reading guide quiz for the first reading. If not, just take that when you are ready. It doesn't have to be done immediately. And then you can move on to the second reading, which is chapter 1, reading 2, and that goes to the end of chapter 1. So just finish chapter 1 and work on the reading guide. And then you can download the reading guide if you haven't already, and then download HG Vocabulary Week 1 assignment. For many of you, this will look really familiar. We've done similar things before, maybe in a different shape. And then if you have any remaining time left in your hour, work on that vocabulary assignment, okay? You don't have to have that done today. You don't have to have the reading guide done today. I am going to be in my WebEx at the end of class today for about the last 5 minutes of the time. So the morning classes, it will be at about 40 of each hour. In the afternoon classes, it will be at about 10 of each hour. So my code is here. It's in the updates, 807018. Okay, so that is the WebEx room code. Nothing about that changes. So if you have questions, you can obviously message me or email me or come see me in the WebEx for the last 5 minutes of class. Okay, have a good day, guys.